Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Mangla, working as an assistant professor for the BBA department of St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. The subject that I take up here is organizational behavior. This is our sixth lecture of OB and today we'll be covering the topics of personality, determinants or sources of personality and the 5 big personality traits. Alright, so let's begin. Now, the word personality, it has been derived from a Latin word persona, which means to speak through. And basically personality is a kind of combination of the body and mind, which depends upon heredity and the environment also. And it refers to the all those habits or all those attitude and other social traits that are the characteristic of a given individual's behavior. They all are a part of our personality. So let's see in detail. In psychological parlance, personality refers to a person's unique and enduring pattern of thinking, feeling and behaving. Every person has a unique, हर किसी का एक अलग तरीका होता है उसके, the way he feels, the way he thinks or the way he behaves to different situations, that's completely unique. So everyone has a different personality. It is the sum total of all tendencies that an individual has inherited and that he has acquired by experience. So all those tendencies or all those behavioral things which he has acquired or which he has inherited by acquired by a lot of years of experience. So all these things, all these tendencies, they are all a part of his personality. So according to Alport, personality is a dynamic organization within the individual. एक individual के within itself only he has a dynamic organization of those psychophysical systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. The way a person behaves, the way a person feels, the way a person expresses themselves, they all are a part of the personality of an individual. Alright, so let's see the determinants or sources of personality. Now there are some major determinants of personality. Some of them are biological factors, cultural factors, social factors and situational factors. These are the 4 factors or 4 sources of personality. We'll see them in detail one by one. Alright, so let's begin with the first one. Now biological factors. There are certain points that are covered in biological factors of personality and it covers brain, physical factor and heredity factor. So these are the 3 major things which are covered within it. Now brain, it is one of the most important factors of personality determinant. And we generally believe that the father and the child, they adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation and later differences are, whatever differences arise, they are the result of the environment in which the child has been grown up. See, basic things are the same which we inherit from our parents, but the way but because why differences arise between your personality and your father's personality or your mother's personality, the difference arises because of the upbringing, because of the environment where the child has grown up. Uski wajah se differences aate hain. So first basic factor is brain. Second one is physical factors. Now one of the most important factors in determining personality is physical characteristics of an individual. And it is believed that this factor plays a role in determining one's behavior in any organization. Whenever we want to determine somebody's behavior in any organization, this plays a major role. Now physical feature, they may involve height of a person or maybe the color, that somebody is white, somebody is black, height like somebody is tall, somebody is short, or the health status also, like somebody is very skinny or very thin and somebody is very fat. And the beauty also, like somebody is very handsome, somebody has good features, somebody is a little ugly. So all these factors, they all come under the concept of physical factors. The last one is heredity factors. Now heredity factor also play an important role as the major determinants and factors of personality. They are the major ones because they are the ones which we have inherited. So heredity factors are the ones that are determined at the time of conception. And these factors, they not only affect physical feature of a person, but the level of intelligence level, attentiveness, gender, temperament, various inherited diseases, and energy level, they all get affected by them. So all these factors, they are also affected by the heredity factors. All right. So these are the biological factors that we've covered of the personality. Now we come to the cultural factors. See, culture also plays a major role, in defining somebody's personality. The culture in which one lives, that may involve traditional practices. Whatever your culture is, every culture has their own traditional practice, their norm, customs, procedure, rules and regulations, precedents and values and many other things, and all are very important determinants of personality. See, the way you have been, brought up, what values have been given to you, what customs you've been practicing, what traditional practices you've been doing from the very beginning, so they all play a major part, major role in determining your overall personality. And moreover, the creed, religion and beliefs, they are also very important factors of personality determinants. Then social factor. Now social factors also play a vital role in determining one's personality. See, the things that revolve and evolve around us on a regular basis determine our personality. वो चीज़ें जो हमें बहुत frequently दिखती हैं, they are determine our personality. For example, when you go to school, like if you are a kid who's very calm and very decent, or maybe you are the one who kind of observes others. So you observe everyone. There might be a child in the class who's very good at studies. So that child, at times you observe them and you want to become like them, and you try to inculcate the traits of their personality in yourself. So what are you doing? That's a social factor. By looking at others, by seeing the people around you, you are trying to develop those qualities in your personality. So whatever things, they revolve or evolve around us, they determine our personality to quite an extent. The society that we live in, the cultural environment that we face daily, the community we get interacted to, all are included in this factor. So जितनी भी चीज़ें हमारे all around होती हैं, our community or cultural environment or the people whom we meet daily, they all are reflected in our personality. Then the next one is situational factors. Now, although these factors, they do not literally create and shape up an individual's personality, they are not directly responsible for the personality of a person, but situational factors do alter a person's behavior and response from time to time. At certain point of time, they play a role in giving in our responses or in the way we behave. Now, the situational factors can be commonly observed, when a person behaves contrastingly and exhibits different traits and characteristics. See, whenever there might be situations जहाँ पे लोग आपको expect करेंगे कि you, like if somebody has said wrong about you, so your friend will expect कि हो सकता है कि you'll suddenly hit that person who has said wrong about you, but because you are a person who's very who's very short tempered and who has a lot of anger within themselves, so आपके friend को ऐसा लगा था कि if a third person has come to you and if he's saying something bad about you, so you'll straight away hit him. But what you did was, you didn't hit him at all and you talked to him very politely. So what is that? That is a situational factor, that you are behaving in a contradicting way, in a way which is not actually according to your personality, but depending upon the situation, you react in a different way. So these are situational factors and they do not reflect our personality directly, but yes, at times they affect a person's behavior. Alright. So these were the factors of personality. Now we'll see some of the major personality traits that are there. Now there are 5 big personality traits. In recent time, the researchers have identified and fundamental traits that are especially relevant to organizations and that are called big 5 personality traits. So major ones are agreeableness, conscientiousness, negative emotionality, extroversion and openness. Now we begin with the first one, agreeableness. See, people who are high in agreeableness, they tend to be more cooperative, while those who are low in this trait, they tend to be more competitive. Agreeableness, वो लोग बहुत कोऑपरेटिव होते हैं, दे कैन ईजिली अग्री टू डू थिंग्स, दे आर easy to accept the situations. And the people who are low in this trait, they are more competitive and sometimes even very manipulative also. So the personality dimension, this personality dimension, agreeableness, it includes certain attributes like trust, altruism, kindness, affection, and others as well. So these things are included within this personality trait. The second one is conscientiousness. Now, standard features of this dimension, it includes high level of thoughtfulness, good impulse control, and goal directed behavior. So these are some of the traits of this personality aspect. And the people who are very highly conscientious, they tend to be organized and mindful of details. They are very organized. They prefer planning ahead, and they think about that how their behavior affect others, and they are very mindful about the deadlines, that if certain deadlines have been given to them, they have to complete the work within that time. So they are very they are very particular about their work basically. Then the next one is negative emotionality. Now, persons with less negative emotionality are relatively calm. They are very calm, very secure, and tend to better handle job stress, pressure, and tension. Person who are with more negative emotionality, they are more excitable, very insecure, and reactive, and they are subject to extreme mood swings. Then extroversion. Now, extroversion is characterized by excitability or sociability or talkativeness. A person who is an extrovert, who very easily mingles with others. Introvert is a person who's not very good at communicating, जिसकी social skills थोड़ी weak होती हैं, that is an introvert. So extrovert is a person who very easily socializes with others, who's very talkative, who's very assertive, who has got social skills, and has high amount of emotional expressiveness. So they are extroverts. So extroversion is characterized by all these characteristics. And people who are very high in extroversion are outgoing. They're very outgoing. They tend to gain energy in social situations, and they like being around with other people and they feel very energized and excited to be around people. Whereas the people who are very low in extroversion, that is the ones who are introvert, they are very reserved, and they have to expend energy. They have to think more about it when they want to socialize. They have to utilize more energy in socializing in social settings. The last trait is openness. Now, this trait features characteristics like imagination and insight. Now, people who are very high in this trait also tend to have a broad range of interest. Their range of interest is quite broad, and they are very curious about the world and the other people, and very eager to learn new things and enjoy new experiences. So people who are high in this trait, they tend to be more adventurous and very creative. Whereas the ones who are low in this trait, they are much more traditional, and they may struggle with abstract thinking. So they are very traditional, and they are not very creative, and they are not very much adventurous as compared to the ones who have this trait. So these are the 5 big personality traits. Now with this, our today's topic is over. Let's see some questions based on today's concept. Define personality and explain its determinants, or it can be sources also, and explain the 5 big personality traits. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming lectures. Thank you.